No, forget the commercial break. Look what happened. Oh, I could see. Just get back in the track already. What peak? That peak. I wonder what Lucius and the Sevens are doing. How to stop it? How Dreamford do? Wave. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Gumball Watterson is out of the race. We have to stay on the leader, Sammy. I can't say. Come on. Curses, the force is strong with this one. I have you now. Oh no. Here's Steven. Okay, but I gave up. What? Start the blue. Okay, Porto. Gotcha. One. Oh, thank you. What the? What, Jake is out too? Oh, great. Well, at least oh, shucks. Sorry about that. I got a ways to win. Rose. What are finished? And looks like it over the cancer runs also that Airboy never won a race. Here comes Bommy Exploderson and SpongeBob in the paddy wagon. Oh, here comes the Minions. Kevin, Stuart, Bob in a London motorcycle. Or the London scooter, whatever. Here comes Clarence in Lazy Bones Mobile. And Maleficent using the dragon powers with the wings. And there's Agnes on a unicorn cycle. And last up is Steven Universe and Mordecai and Rigby on a golf cart. And that's all for the racers for now. And that's all the racers. And involved in these crashes, the Big Bad Wolf, the Three Little Cherries, Plankton, Gumball Watterson, Lucius Haynos the Seventh, and Jake is out of the race. This, numbers? I can't count it. So let's go to the victory lane with Lindsay. Next, here's to the victory lane. Thank you. First up is Woodpecker. Second, Orange, and Airboy Jetson is coming third. And let me go up next. Got it. I finally won the race. Yahoo! And as for Lucius Haynos the Seventh, oh, he probably crashed. Oh, who wanted to win this race anyways? I do. I wanted to win the race. I'll never get to win the race. Oh, boo-hoo-hoo. What a crybaby. I'm out of here. Oh, wait for me. 7 inches later. Well, I guess that's it for this episode, the first episode of Season 2 Woody Woodpecker Racing. And what will Woody challenge him next? Find out and vote who wanted to challenge him first. Second. So, find out. And that's it for this episode of Season 2 Woody Woodpecker Racing. We'll see you at the next episode. Yeah, next episode. Come on, let's go something to eat. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait for me! Still later. Where are they? Finally! Does somebody call us? Oh, Danny D. Prime, it's so good to see you. Yes, and what is the problem? Has map eraser.
Yeah, what the problem is?
Oh, it looks like that the Lord villain, Dr. Fed Ramboss, he destroyed the beach village. Wait, did he ruin the village? Yes, it's true.
Oh, I could see the problem.
Yeah, why'd you just ask Holly Mikola? Holly? Holly? Where are you? Sorry I was late. Oh yeah. What is the problem? But Sinbad was banished on China.
Whoa, that's bad.
How could they? It's true. After his father's death of the stampede, he took his place to be the emperor on China.
An emperor in China?
Well, that's... Ooh, wait, did somebody... Dr. Fed Ramboss is the emperor of China? Yes.
That was harsh.
But don't worry. I'll reassemble my crew any time now. But don't worry. We'll be right back. Good. And... that's right. Rhino and me were on a mission. Well, get a move on. Let's go.
Okay, Micah.
Let's ready for the next race. Let's go move on.
Oh, it's you again, the spies. Danny D. Prime, you're back.
Oh yes, you're right. Hello, and I'm glad to see you again, Woodpecker. Guys,
what is it, Andy?
I got a call from Toyoda that he was sick on Atlanta.
Wait, who's Toyota?
He's on Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, maybe we should get a move on. Come on.
Oh yeah, right. Let's go.
So this is Atlanta, Georgia?
So this is Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, is that cool?
I can see him.
Panda, what's those intruders doing there? Oh, these are not intruders. This is Woody Woodpecker, Bobby Exploderson, Orange, Mordecai Rigby, Lindsay, Chris, Kevin, Stuart, and Bob, and SpongeBob. And Danny D. Prime, the real American spy. And Rex. And Rhino. Yeah, and we here to see you. What happened? Oh, I cannot feel right. But I can't help you back. No, Toyota, but you can't die. You need us. Sinbad was...
But Sinbad was banished on China.
Wait, how did you know that? So, oh, let me help you. Things. Remember, make sure up to rhyme. Well, tell us again, Manakima. Make sure to may the spies be with you.
But Beardo Arg is Danikid Prime, but he was killed by Acer, and he betrayed him.
Yep, I could feel it. Ron, go on, say it. Remember, may the spice be with you. Okay, see ya. Master Toyota, no! I can't believe he's gone. Well, what are we gonna do without him? I can't believe Toyota's dead. Toyota has have a heart failure, Prime. Who said that? Who said that? Me. I'm the ghost of Denzel. Denzel? Yes, for real. Wait, were you again? I thought you were dead. Yes, and I was killed by Beardo Arg, your father. How did you know that? Well, say, may the spies be with you, and be careful. Now, come on! We gotta get back to the ship.
Yeah, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Don't worry, everything's under control.
Yeah, come on.
I know you will, but make sure, be careful out there. Did you see him?
He's going to China.
Okay, Monsieur. Get a move on.